Welcome to Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn, Estonia, one of the stops on the Scandinavian Capitals cruise for Holland America out of Rotterdam in the Netherlands. We did a walking tour which included the town center, the old part of Tallinn, and it's still walled off. The history was just amazing. Loved the architecture. Saw support for Ukraine, saw the Estonian flag flying right next to the Ukrainian flag around the city. This was in front of the Russian embassy in Tallinn. Keep traveling, my friends.